I think I might be a monster. I know that might sound a little bit crazy, but I think I might be a monster. In my black suit, black shoes, standing over this black box looking at you, I think this might have made me into a monster. Women always tell us we look handsome at funerals dressed in our black. Almost look too good at what we be buried in, like we're waiting our turn to be on our backs. I think I might be a monster because I don't feel nothing. Ain't a teardrop came yet, ain't a teardrop coming. I keep finding these stitches on my arms and backside from pulling myself together too many times too fast. And I'm thinking maybe this time I'm out to pull myself together wrong or something. I pull at the seams in hopes that I'll fall apart for you, but all I find underneath is bloodstained concrete and flowers from pictures laid against phone poles and day-old candle wax around my Reeboks as I stand here, head down, eyes closed, trying to think of things to make myself feel something like I used to. But your death don't bother me like it would, or like it should. I told my mom once, boys don't cry, that's something I can't do. She said, you're right, boys don't cry, that's something a man do. She said, I said you can't expect a man to show emotion, but you expect a woman to. And I said, if I show that kind of emotion, another man's gonna get at you. Ain't that some kind of beautiful monster? Can't feel nothing, but I walk like the rest of us, talk like the rest of us, no lie, just a secret, but I know why us boys don't cry, even though we try. It's because we keep finding stitches around our arms and backs that every time someone dies and I can't find enough tears for them. Staring at the picture, praying I'm gonna feel something like I did the first time this happened, but the more this happens, the more monster I am in aisle 12, wondering what the Lord's gonna do. I'm a man who knows he can read, but I can't make out the name on the program. Like this ain't my friends, we just all ends to some program, and after one or two of these programs, the fuck are we supposed to do? We just kids. They say God is always watching, well I hope he's watching this. We don't shed a tear when friends blow in the wind, we just make a t-shirt and we post them instead. So in a sense they in the ground, but the both of us dead. And the more of them in the wind, the more coldness is spread. I watch a lineup of young men grind their teeth like we speechless to what I speak. Yes, lest we forget that I see death. Never after full life, just after 4 nights on a cement. And I see Espacito seeing it on my streets when it's all deep breaths and heaving chest. Now a new seam stitched on my skin to keep my need to weep suppressed another evening. I'm watching seasons change on a season pain. See, death cursed us, made us seem insane, so now we're all surface, nothing deep remains, and every time someone dies, it just feeds the flame, and we all feed to be unstitched, but no treatment came, and all the good men I know just seek to blame until the streets look like a chessboard. Everybody with their pieces lined up on their corners, making moves to check each other like this beef's a game. We got kings who won't budge, rather be dead in the tomb, queens who do it all for us, but we played them too soon, pawns who move foolish and tease the platoon, run out and get took, then we back in our black suits in the back of the funeral, and I'm weak from this tomb. See, we stormed all these gates thinking this would help since we popped off, but inside is a black box. I feel like I've seen so many times I might as well just get in one myself. We have fallen apart. In the face of death, men have a word for standing their ground and being a soldier. Ironically, we call it heart. But love will get you killed, so we put ours in the dark. Under my black suit, black shoes. Oh, thank you, baby, you look good too. She don't know that I'm a monster. That we are turning into monsters. Can't feel shit, but we walk like the rest of us, talk like the rest of us, no lie. Just a secret, but I know why us boys don't cry even though we try. It's because I got a monster in me. Thank you.